Discover the ultimate typing experience with our mechanical keyboard, designed for both performance and style. First, our customizable keycaps and ergonomic design provide crystal clear, uniform backlighting with double injection keycaps. You can add a personal touch with 3 mixed color keycaps and enjoy adjustable height with foldable brackets on the bottom. Next, explore vibrant backlighting options with multiple modes to choose from. The solid sea blue backlight adds a stylish touch, and you can turn off the lighting when it's not needed. Our keyboard is broadly compatible with Win2000, WinXP, WinMe, Vista, Win7, Win8, Win10, Android, Linux, Mac, and more. Just plug it into your USB port for instant use. Finally, the waterproof circuit board, certified with IPX4 resistance, means you can enjoy food and drinks while gaming or working without worrying about spills. It's easy to clean for added convenience. Upgrade your setup with our feature-packed mechanical keyboard today. Search for dkn6723 in the search bar to find keyboards at 90% off on your first order.